Hello folks, welcome to the Javarevisited YouTube channel.
As we learn for loop in Python, and now we are going to learn the concept of while loop. So first of all, I will make a while.py file named while.py, otherwise while loop.py, and I will comment here while loop in Python, simply while loop. And now I will just make a space here so we can write our code. What is while loop? For example, you have to do a work and you want to make a remainder that if, for example, you have to write counting from 1 to 9, not 10. You just have to do a work from 1 to 9, not 10, not including 10. So how we will do this? We will do this using while loop. For example, first of all, we will initialize this start is equal to 1. This is our first of all we have to initialize, and this is I will comment here initialize fine. And now we will use our while loop condition here, while start less than 10. It's mean our start, the condition will be start from 1 and it will less than 10. It will not include 10, it will be less than 9, and I will add a colon here. After that you have to add print and also start, so it will start from 1 to 9. And also if you just print this like this, it will make an error, or just print 1 1 1 infinitely. So I just don't want this and will cut this. And I will also condition here that start is equal to start plus 1. Okay, now let's check the output. It's printing. Oh yes, our result is fine. Now you can see that we got the same result as we want. And I will just make a space here so it will look more better. Okay, fine, the result is same now. Oh yeah, you can also make a change in this code. For example, you want from 1 to 5, 1 to 9, 1 to 3, 1 to whatever you want. You just want to set a reminder that you have to do work from 1 to 5. So what will you do? 1 to 5, so you will say start less than 6, and let's check the output, and it will say 1 2 3 4 5. So this is our concept of while loop.